Dear brothers and sisters, today we will be discussing the topic of Jesus and his 12 disciples. In the New Testament, Jesus chose 12 men to be his close companions and to help spread his message of love, forgiveness, and salvation to the world. These 12 disciples, also known as the Apostles, were ordinary men with ordinary jobs, but through their association with Jesus, they were transformed and became leaders of the early Christian church. Jesus' disciples were with him throughout his ministry, witnessing his miracles and hearing his teachings. They also accompanied him to the Garden of Gethsemane, where he was arrested and ultimately crucified. After his death, the disciples were filled with fear, but Jesus appeared to them and restored their faith and hope. He commissioned them to continue spreading the good news to all nations. The 12 disciples were Peter, Andrew, James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Thomas, Matthew, James the son of Alphaeus, Simon the Zealot, Judas Iscariot, and Thaddaeus. Each of these men had unique personalities and backgrounds, but they all shared a common bond in their devotion to Jesus. Today, we can learn from the example of the 12 disciples and strive to follow in their footsteps. Like them, we too can surrender our lives to Jesus and become his faithful servants. Let us remember that just as Jesus transformed the lives of the disciples, he can also transform our lives today. May we have the courage and faith to follow him wherever he may lead us. In conclusion, the story of Jesus and his 12 disciples serves as a reminder of God's love and grace. May we strive to follow their example and share the message of hope and salvation with all those we meet. Amen.